Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a duck. Let's start off by drawing the beak with a line curving down to the left that drops down and curves back to the right. Then, close out that shape with a curved line connecting the ends. For the head, draw a long line that starts from the beak, curves up and over, and down for the neck. Then, a line that gently scoots out and down to the right for the back. Underneath, add a line curving down that turns up at the end. Then, another slightly bigger one angled more to the right. A really long line curving to the right, followed by another line curving to the right and turning back a bit. To finish off the wing, draw another line that turns back to this end here. From the bottom of the beak, extend the line and curve down for the neck, a bump out for the chest, that bends back and under the wing for the body. At the back, two more lines that curve out and back for the tail feathers. For the legs, extend a line down from the body with 3 webbed toes for the feet and come back up to the body like so. Do that one more time but smaller just to the left for the other foot. Finally, dot the eye on the head, a small dot on the beak for the nose hole, and a thin line along the bottom for the lower beak. Lastly, add some lines here for its toes for the webbed feet. And now you've got a duck. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.